Today, I'm going to take you step by step on how to create this gorgeous, shiny little magnet. It is so easy to do. Y'all, I'm just using my digital downloads. I cut out this little one here with the hearts, and I am going to coat the back with my chalk writer. It's just a digital download. I have a whole download you can get. It's got 18 different designs on it, you guys. These are so fun and so easy to use. I'm going to center this up. I've got the chalk side down, and I'm going to use one of our little dotting tools here to go over all of these lines until I reveal the mandala. Oh my gosh, I love this one so much. The little hearts are so cute. Now, I'm going to be using Amethyst because one of our channel members, Silver Rose, has given me this suggestion, and I wanted her to know I heard it and I'm all in. So y'all, let's go Amethyst. Now, for all of these tiny, tiny little swooshes, I am using this 9mm fine liner. It was on my Amazon wish list, and Jenny sent it to me. Thank you so much, Jenny. I am really getting a lot of use out of that paintbrush set. I linked it down below if anyone else wants one. But at first, when I first started using it, it has almost like a little bump right where you hold it, and I was so uncertain about it. But I've been using it, and now I find myself reaching for it every time. If you guys are looking for a really good way to practice these fine lines, I get questions all the time about how to do them. And one of my most common answers is, I just practiced. I practiced over and over again on tiny little kindness rocks writing words. These little digital downloads, these tiny, tiny lines on these little 3-inch magnets, I promise you are the perfect place to practice those fine lines. So if you're looking for a good practice for that fine liner, this is going to be it. This is a good one, you guys. All right, I looked the art desk over and I didn't have any more Amethyst paints, so I'm going plum. I'm using this tiny little fine liner from my good friend Kathleen B. She gave me this a long, long time ago, and I've been using it ever since, and I want her to know that it is a part of my whole journey and my art desk and my heart, just like her. Anyway, I hope you guys check out this little fine liner from Happy Dotting Company. It is awesome for so many tiny, tiny little things. The other side of it is 0.5 mm, and this one is 1 mm. Super useful. Okay, I'm loving the way this looks. I'm going to get out some purple pizzazz, because I like to say it, and I'm going to use it to put some dots around this mandala, but I'm going to work kind of quickly. I'm going to get the dots down, and then I have some really special rhinestones that one of our channel members, Debbie B, who I have come to just adore. She is one of my dearest friends now. She sent me these. I had them on my Amazon wish list, and she sent them to me, and I can't quit using them. They do this really neat thing, y'all. It's like if you look at it in one direction, they look kind of green. If you look at it in another direction, it looks kind of purple. And I don't know, I just think they're so fun. And if you guys have been watching my videos, you know I am a sucker for shiny bling and color shift type things, so this is right up my alley. And we are going to use as many of them as I can before I think you guys are going to be like, okay, JaDeL, that's enough. Anyway, I love it. I am going to go through the art desk real quick because I want a big like rhinestone in the middle, and I'm thinking about those rhinestones that Beverly gave me. We used them in another canvas video like this, so I've put some glue down, and I'm gonna get one of those out. I'll link these down below. I can't remember exactly what they're called off the top of my head, but I'll put the word in right here. Anyway, I put this purple one on there, and I think it looks beautiful. Now, I didn't edit this out because I think you might want to try it too, but she also sent me these ginormous I don't know, it's almost like a holographic type rhinestone. It's not quite clear like a diamond. It's got a little hint of those colors in it, and I went ahead and used it just to be a little different from the last little magnet we did. Anyway, I love it. I'll link both of them down below. Now, I'm just taking a wet cotton swab. I've dabbed the water off a little bit on a paper towel, and I'm just getting all of that chalk writer off of this, and I'm shining up that great big rhinestone in the middle, and then we'll get to the rest. Oh, can you guys tell I'm having fun? Maybe just a few more dots. I'm pushing it just a little bit. I really don't want it to be super, super cramped. I want to leave some of that black space, but I want a little bit more of that plum color in here too. So I don't know. I'm just picking and poking. I'm having fun. I hope that when you guys are doing these mandala elements, these downloads, I hope you decorate them in all sorts of different ways. They are so much fun, and oh, would you look at that? I just love it. All right, let me give you guys a little supply list here of everything I used, and then we'll get to that final reveal. Now, I want to tell you, on this one, I want to coat it in resin, but it just so happens I am out of my favorite resin, art resin, so I'm going to use that, I think it's called Nick Pro, that I got for another video, and give it a shot. So check out how it turned out. Oh my gosh, this is right up my alley. It is so shiny and so blingy. Would you guys look at those rhinestones? I put so much resin on there, it literally buried them, and now it doesn't even look like a rhinestone anymore. It almost looks like some kind of magical color shift metallic dot. I mean, just gorgeous. I am so in love with it. That Nick Pro resin totally did this right. It's showing pretty well on camera too. This is gorgeous. I hope you guys go over and download all of my downloads in my Etsy shop. That is helping me so much right now. I hope you give these projects a try. Here's a whole playlist using them. Go give them a watch, and until next time, rock on.